Hey guys, Riker. Okay, Riker here from All of the Above BMX. It is dark time, as you can see, and Alex, thank you for the light. Alex Haag, my friend.
Yeah.
He's been in all my videos, I think. Yeah, we set up that rail right there. He wants me to learn foot jam tail whips, but we figured out that since I have a brake, I can just wrap it around because I have enough cord.
Yeah, and you always say you don't.
So now I didn't, okay?
Because now you have no excuse to not to learn bar spins.
The closest I've got, before we started recording, I landed like this on it, which sucked because I fell over. So yeah, let's do this.
You got this, dude. Yeah, why the reason the lighting's so bad is because we're filming at night. See, there's the moon. Pretty moon. There's my bike. My bike's way better than this because it's chrome. No, my bike sucks. Dude, you almost landed that. Almost.
Exactly what happened last time. Oh God.
Are you feeling it now, Mr. Krabs?
Oh God. Ah. Oh God, no. Just getting tired. Anyways, if I land this tonight, guys, you have got to go like and subscribe to this video. Oh, jeez. That's a car.
Oh, there's a car right there. Hello.
This is very tiring. Considering I'm already tired. So for intermission, while I catch my breath again, we're gonna film Alex doing wheelies.
Oh God.
Oh God, yeah.
Dude, I suck at wheelies. Like, I have horrible balance, guys.
No. You can't see anything. You cannot see Alex. Alex, the viewers are legally blind. They can't see you. Is the flash even? Yeah, the flash is on. Okay, well, we're just gonna pause the video so I can catch my breath because you guys can't see this at all. Okay, we'll be back here in just a minute. Hey guys, so we're back. I have my breath caught. And we tried to film Alex popping wheelies, but no, that did not work out. There's no light over there. There is, but he was popping wheelies right there. Okay.
Dude, the farthest I've ever wheelied was like 3 little, like, 'cause at the skate park there's like squares like where the cement was laid in, and I've like wheelied 3. That's like the farthest. I can get on his bike and hop pretty high. Dude, that landmark video the other day was so fun.
Alright. Jeez.
I was the one filming. So how do you feel about that fail?
Pretty good. Pain counts. Well, look, it's already bruising. It's right there. You guys probably can't see it, but that really hurts right there. Right there. Ow. Just slammed it into my stem.
Hey, I'm gonna drive your bike out the road.
Sounds good. That hurt. But I'm not stopping.
Okay.
Sorry guys, this is not happening at all. Come on. I don't know.
Bruh. Bruh.
What?
Bruh.
Bruh.
Bruh. Bruh. Bruh. Bruh. Bruh.
Bruh.
So bad.
Whoa!
I'm just recording the bike. I'm not even recording you.
Does it look like I care? I need front brakes.
Did you ride brakes on the DK?
For a little while. Then I took them off.
Wait, did you have a gyro?
Yeah. I had a gyro. I want it back.
What, do you still have the gyro part of it?
I burnt it all.
Oh.
Because at the time I thought brakes were demons or something. I don't know. But
Sponsored by Framed Bikes.
I'm so sponsored, people. Yeah. Bro.
Sponsored by Wilson Tennis Balls.
Oh yeah, you like them? They gave me 4 a pair.
No, because you stole them from me, fart.
Oh, I didn't steal any. Oh yeah, I just took them.
I want it back. Bruh.
Those of you that are still watching, I thank you very much.
If you're still watching, you no scam, no joke, totally will get a brand new Sunday forecaster delivered to your house within 10 minutes.
That's with his money, not my money. Just end the video, screw this.